bluebell. We're gonna have bluebell, and we're gonna put bruise it together. We're doing the artificial insemination today. I'm gonna do the semen extraction and then the insemination. So hold her. What I'm gonna do first, she check and see if she's flagging. Yeah, she's flagging. By flagging, I mean she's putting her tail to the side to let them know, hey, I want you. Now, Bruce is only 10 months, but he's of breeding age. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna get him up. Hey, Bruiser. Good boy, you're doing great. You're doing great. We're gonna get him up. This is the semen extraction bag. It comes with any artificial insemination kit. What we're gonna do is, hey, good boy. Let's get some good sniffs. Yeah, okay. He already ready. He gets ready as soon as it's time. So now, when you're doing your AI, what you're feeling for in the back, it's gonna be it's gonna swell up on his meat. Okay? You're gonna reach around, you're gonna hold it. You don't have to jerk him off. That's not what a lot of people have the wrong impression. That's not what you're doing. His balls are swelling up right here. It's a big ball that you're gonna feel. Once that swells up, let's give him a good sniff. Yeah, okay. And you're going to be ready. He's gonna hump it. He's gonna hump it. There you go. Boom. He already ready. There you go. Already filling up. All you have to do is hold these balls that's right here in the back. It's really easy. You're going to feel him. He's going to be ejaculating. You're going to feel him in your hands. You're going to have to wait for a little while after because you want to catch everything. You're waiting about the same proper amount of time as you would wait for it to get locked up. But you see how the semen is coming to fill up the bag? Come closer so they can see it. If you can look, he's still ejaculating, which means that there's still more coming out. Doing a good load this time. If you did it right, you won't have any blood in it. That's what you're not looking for. You don't want it to be blood. You don't want to put blood into your dog. Semen is supposed to be nice and clear and white, just like this. He got a lot too. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna come over here, KK. Come on. So I'm going to insert this over top of my finger. I'm gonna put it in as far as it'll go, right there. Okay. Then we're going to slowly inject her with the semen. Now you're gonna want to feel. You're gonna want to feel for her accepting it. You want her to clench back up on it. So we're going to massage a little bit. There you go. Take this off. We'll suck a little bit of air into it. We'll put this back on here because we want to make sure we clean out the rest of the syringe. Now it's a waiting game. We have to hold it. While we hold it, we can take the syringe out. Set the syringe right here on the paper towel. Just gonna hold it right now.
When the light shut off, and it's my turn.